Hi there, Chris here. I have this 7240, it's a purple one, for Lotto Lock Tuesday. Works nicely. It has that's not the Avis spell out keyway. It's just the other keyway, whatever that one is. I'll focus on that. There's the bidding on the key. And we'll see if I can get into this. What do I use? I think I use this. No, actually, I like the smaller one. Oh, here it is. And I think I usually use this one for these. So we'll see. Maybe I use this one. Probably use either one of them. I haven't felt that Avis Gatekeeper combination. Usually it's the first three pins that puts you into a little bit of a false set. Oh, well, okay. I'm into a little bit of a false set. I hit one and it went in. I think that's counter on two. Well, I fell off. I didn't lose the false set. I think one's good. Two's good. Counter on three. It helps if you're right on top of the pin, and I don't feel like I'm right on top of the pin, but we're going to go for it. Okay, that's what happens when you go for it and you're not on top of the pin. You lose your false set. You lost all that. All right, let's start over. So at least my Avis locks the Gatekeeper. It's usually a combination of a couple pins somewhere up front. Before, and you got to kind of, generally you have to get those first, because Avises like to be picked a certain way. Well, it's too bad I screwed it up, because I was close. I was within two pins. Now I'm just fumbling around in the dark. Let's reset. Do something different. I think maybe usually it's happening on this one. It's not. I'm not getting that first 3-pin combination false set. Boy, I suck. Sometimes you could cheat, if I can find it. Here we go. Really light tension. This works better with American locks, but it sometimes works with Avis locks. To get you into a false set. Okay, I am in the false set. There we go. That was 3. All right, that was a roundabout way to go, but I got there. Didn't we, Sook? Here, you gotta have a shot of Suki. Where is she? She's on her S and Greenleaf, Sergeant and Greenleaf padlock pillow. All right, I guess I'm not supposed to go out of frame, but there you go. So, let's see if I could get this. Does this gut? Yeah, this guts. I think. Oh, you know, this is one of those weird ones. I probably shouldn't have done that. Is it one of the weird ones? I can't remember. Oh no, this is a okay one. It's all attached. It's the Silverlights, Silver Rocks. That are the weird ones. Ooh, greasy. Guess I haven't been in here. Paper towel. That's not a paper towel. Here's one. Should probably get a pinning tray on here, huh? All right, there we go. Awfully fumbly long video already. All right. We'll lock this back up and not turn it, let all the pins drop out. See if I can get this off. Okay, that worked. Turn my tray around. Unlock it, shim it. Just saw that shim, didn't I? Yes, right here. All right, here we go. Don't screw it up. Okay, that's why we like them, because they're pinned to 6. So there they all are. Do they all need picking? You betcha. Okay. Oops. That's one thing about them, when they have so much grease in them, they just don't want to come out. It'd take you forever to gut these things. Oh boy. Okay, that's one. That's 2. 3. I'm on a roll. Well, I was. Dang, 4, 5, 17. There we go. Yeah, man, these things are full of grease. Okay, so that's a regular core, nothing really. It's just what we get all the time with these Avis locks. All right, let's see if I can't do better here. Give you a view. Forgot these things are offset. So standard in 1. Spool in 2. Come on. Spool in 3. Get the springs later. It's out. It won't even come out. It's just so sticky. 4 is the spool. 5 and 6. I'm sorry. 5 is a spool and 6 is a spool. All right, springs. A nice long Lotto Lock Tuesday. Get this fixed up for you. Springy little springs. All right, so we have, I can't even see, my eyes are too blurry. Does this have any serrations on it? No, just greasy. Okay. All the key pins are standard. And it was pretty good bidding. Number 1 driver is a standard. and the rest are all spools. Okay, thanks for watching. That was the Avis 7240, a pretty purple one for Lotto Luck Tuesday. Hit the like, leave a comment, tell people to subscribe. Coming up on 2 years on the 22nd of this month. So having a good time. I really enjoy doing this, and I hope you guys do too. See you next time.